Well, here we are again today. And as promised, my rifle finally showed up just 5 minutes ago on the UPS truck. And the guy says, well, hey, it doesn't say you need a signature for this. I said, yeah, I know, it's too old. I said, if it was made after 1899, then you'd probably have to have a signature on it. But as it is, it's currently in non-firing, unused, and actually, untouched condition, so there's no possible way it can be used at this point. And any rifle before that, that's why I said these you don't even need a license for. Anything before 1899, you do not need a license to buy. Unlike some of the other stuff I bought where I needed my Federal Firearms Collectors and Relics license. Yes, you do have to have a license for those. At least a Federal Firearms license or a Collectors and Relics license like I have. But anyhow, so it just showed up today. It's another 1878 Martini-Henry Francotte model, and this one has supposed to have, and I better see it because I paid more for it. It's got the charge indicator on the side, a little triangular thing on the side. It could be busted off for all I know. But also, it's one of those things where these were made by blacksmiths. The barrels are Damascus, so really, if the action itself was okay, I could probably fire it, but I still probably would not trust the barrel. It would probably have to be removed and replaced with something different. So anyhow, let's go ahead and show you what we got here today. And I haven't had the lights on. It might be a little dark. There we go. I got the lights on. Now you can probably see me better. You don't need to see me. You need to see me unboxing this thing. Now, let's see. If the animals cooperate and don't knock this thing all over the place, you should see something like there. Okay. All right. So you guys are going to see exactly what I see for the first time, probably. Like the last time. The last one, well, it wasn't broken in half or anything, so this seems to be packed more solid than the last one. The last one was like they just threw it in, and this one here, packing is a lot different. So I'm hoping, if that's the case, didn't have to cut the left side off. That's good. Let me see if I can slide it out. Good. See if I can slide it out 2 pieces. All right. Paper. More paper. Uh-oh. Something in there. And it's packed solid. Look at that much. We got all kinds of stuff in it this time. I guess somebody must have been complaining about their packing or something, because this looks like it's overpacked. Whoa. Wow. Piece of paper coming out with it. Beans everywhere. I hate these things. So Daddy packed it in there, all right. Took me half an hour to get these beans out of here. All right. Well, watch me toss some of this stuff so the animals won't go running around playing with it. Otherwise, Chubby's great for grabbing all this stuff. Chews it up and swallows it, just where I need a trip to the vet. Alright, let's get part of this cleared off so I can spot. Alright, there we go. Now, what kind of condition is this one in? Untouched! I don't know if that's good or bad. Probably bad, but You never know. Like I said, you never guaranteed anything with these. It's just guaranteed that it's going to be a rifle. Oh, it's missing. Ugh. Already I don't like it. Looks bad. It's worse than the last one. No charge indicator on that side. Yep. Yes, the charge indicator is there. There it is. Such as it is. Now this one, that's amazing. Does not have a buttstock, of course, or butt plate, but it does have no cracks in the stock. Go figure. So let's see if I can get you a better close-up. I'll have to do this by hand. Right? Let's see. Bring the camera over. But actually, the stock is loose like the last one was. But it's actually in not really that bad a shape compared to the other one. So here we go. There's a whole side there, and there's that charge indicator, which is pretty much gummed up because like everything else. But that's normal. I got my box in the way. And all the way to the end there. Ramrod's in there. That's all in there. And stock. Where's the big crack in the stock? No. Got a little chunk missing, looks like. Right there. You can feel it. Little piece is missing right along the side. And I do not see, well, other than the barrel being dirty, I don't see any gaping holes. Turn it over. And on the other side. Now this one here, come on. It's not cooperating. It's sticking on everything it's not supposed to be sticking on. Hold on. Here we go again. Stuck there. All right. Sight's there. Looks like it's complete. And the other thing I noticed, it's not beat up like the other one, and it's also got the pin is there. Where the other one, the pin was gone. Okay, so this one is more complete than the other one was. And yeah, it's dirty, all right. And it's going to take a lot of cleaning. But actually, overall, for being made in 1878 with the Damascus barrel made by a blacksmith in Nepal, it's actually in pretty good shape. I'm just going to have to fix this crack up here because there's a pin coming, or I think it's a pin coming through there where this crack is right there. But other than that, there's no other cracks in the stock, which is amazing. Okay, so there you have it. Another project gun. This time here, who knows? Maybe I'll make this one into a shooter. I don't know. But we will find out. I'll give you a long view from this side here. There it is. Such as it is. Bye for now. Till the next project. Clean up.